So here we need to match the pioneering physicist against the discovery. So at first we have Michael Faraday. So Faraday gave the law of electromagnetic induction. Then we have Ernest Rutherford, who gave the nuclear model of an atom. Then we have James Chadwick, who is known as the discoverer of neutron. Niels Bohr gave the quantum model of hydrogen atom. Isaac Newton is very famous for his law of gravitation. James Clerk Maxwell, he unified light and electromagnetism. We have Abdus Salam. So Salam is known for unification of weak and electromagnetic interactions. Well, Einstein is very famously known for his theory of relativity. C.V. Raman, he talked about the inelastic scattering of light by molecules. Hubble is most famous for his expansion of the universe theory.